and this is Everyone Can Grill. Today on the Weber Spirit, we're going to make easy grilled cheesy potatoes. Super simple to do, but man, are they good. So stick around, because this is going to be good. All right, let's get these potatoes going. This is what we were able to find at the store. With everything going on, I don't know what's the rush with potatoes, but that's all I could get. So I cut them up into little pieces, and it'll be perfect. As a matter of fact, I think it'll taste better because these are a little more tender than the regular potato I use. Now I just sprayed this really thick on there because we're going to have enough cheese to turn this into like concrete if we don't. So let's get a layer of potatoes in here. And nothing fancy, man. Because seriously, when this is done, it's not going to look like layers. What I'm calling layers is just so you can divide everything up evenly. And we're going to probably have 2, maybe 3 layers of potatoes in here. And then you just scoop them out and eat them. There we go. See, I'm not trying to be artistic with it at all. But what I want to do is give it a healthy shot of black pepper. Now we're going to lay down some, what was this, Fontina cheese? And cheddar. Just randomly, however it came out. Man, that's going to be good. I tasted this Fontina, and it is really creamy. It's going to add a lot to this. Usually I just use cheddar, but I opened up the fridge and saw that and jumped on it. So there we go with that. And now I am using cream of chicken. And we're just going to glob it on here. Just like that. This all ends up cooking in there evenly. Do that. I am going to hit it with a little bit of heavy cream. If I can open the cream up. Just a little bit. Just like that. Now, let's do some more of these taters. Spread them out kind of even. And this is a creamy potato dish. It's not like a gratin where it's thick. This is more creamy. Man, I am telling you, it's good. Now, let's keep an order here. Black pepper. Lots of black pepper. I love black pepper. So does the wife. Now a whole bunch more of our cheese. Just randomly. Every bite's going to have a different taste to it. Yes, yum, buddy. While I'm doing this, I got the grill heating up indirect. I'm using the cast iron skillet, and I'm going to use, look at this, is perfect. That one's for me. That one's for the wife, and this one will fit right in there. Now just hit it with the last of these taters, like that. Good shot in the center, so it can ooze out. I got about that much left in the can. I don't know if you can see how much is in there, but a little bit. Now another shot of cream, just to top that off. Yeah. You're going to like this one. And another good helping of black pepper. Boom. Now, brought out some aluminum foil because this is going to be on there for just about an hour. I want to cover it up most of the way through. Just like that. All right. My grill is at 300 and rising. So I'm going to put this on. on the indirect side and leave it alone. I will bring you back in a little while when we open this up. Check it out. All right, check out the creamy, cheesy potatoes. Look at how that's all bubbled. Well, I am Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. Get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do.